Bathroom renovation. Choosing designs and materials that suit your style. A bathroom renovation can be an exciting and rewarding project, but with so many options available, it can also be overwhelming. Choosing designs and materials that suit your style is an essential part of creating a bathroom that you will love. In this article, we will explore some of the key factors to consider when renovating your bathroom. Define your style. The first step in any bathroom renovation project is to define your style. Do you prefer a classic look with traditional materials, or a modern aesthetic with clean lines and sleek finishes? Are you drawn to a particular color scheme, or do you prefer neutral tones? Defining your style can help you narrow down your choices when it comes to materials and design elements. Consider your budget. Before you start choosing materials and design elements, it is important to consider your budget. Bathroom renovations can be expensive, and it is easy to overspend if you are not careful. Set a budget and stick to it, and be sure to factor in the cost of labor as well as materials. Choose your materials. Choosing the right materials is key to creating a bathroom that suits your style. There are many options available, from natural stone to porcelain tiles, and each has its own unique characteristics. Consider the durability, maintenance requirements, and cost of each material, as well as its aesthetic appeal. Think about storage. Storage is an important consideration in any bathroom renovation. Think about how you use your bathroom and what items you need to store. Do you need a lot of cabinet space, or would open shelving be more suitable? Consider the materials and finishes of your storage solutions to ensure they complement the overall design of your bathroom. Lighting. Lighting is another crucial element to consider in your bathroom renovation. Good lighting can make a small bathroom feel more spacious and can highlight key design elements. Consider both natural and artificial lighting options and ensure that they are functional as well as aesthetically pleasing. Plumbing fixtures. Plumbing fixtures are often the focal point of a bathroom renovation. From faucets to shower heads, there are many options available to suit your style and budget. Consider the finishes, such as brushed nickel or chrome, and the features, such as water-saving options, when choosing your fixtures. In conclusion, a bathroom renovation can be a great way to update your home and create a space that you will love. By defining your style, setting a budget, choosing the right materials, thinking about storage and lighting, and selecting plumbing fixtures that suit your style and needs, you can create a bathroom that is both functional and beautiful. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can create a bathroom that will be a source of joy and relaxation for years to come.